All right, by now, we've seen all these ads that Kroger's lowering all of its prices in the stores. And we want to know, though, how good the markdowns are, because that's the question. And you've got a kind of a sneak peek at a special report you're bringing us tonight.
Yeah, we've been working on this one for a few days now, Catherine. You know, Kroger certainly has our attention when it comes to prices these days. But Nine on Your Side wanted to know if you're really getting a break on your weekly shopping.
And 99-cent sales.
The war is on. It was 2 weeks ago when Kroger made the surprise announcement that it would slash the price of more than 3,000 items.
You're going to see a new look. You're going to see all the ways you can save at Kroger.
Shoppers saw new signs, new shelf tags, and new prices. Some are very impressed.
They're lower on some things, and they're very competitive on others, yes.
But other shoppers we spoke with in Newport after a couple of shopping trips were not so sure that much had changed.
No, not actually. Maybe two things that I noticed.
So is Kroger now much more competitive with Walmart and Meijer, which advertise their low prices, or is it mostly hype? To find out, I put on a ball cap, grabbed a shopping cart, and went shopping at all 3 tri-state stores with the help of our producer, Tasha. We bought 24 popular items at each store and a variety of fresh produce.
Kroger, Walmart, Meijer. Wait till you see which one of these 3 shopping trips gave us the lowest price. And I have a couple of those, a couple of the popular breakfast cereals here. Catherine, help me out. Cheerios. I've got Corn Flakes.
Sure.
Now, this Cheerios was $3.19 at Kroger, but the one you're holding, $2.84 at Walmart. Corn Flakes, also just a few cents cheaper at Walmart as well. So advantage seems to be Walmart at this point. But wait, some items at Kroger, I think you were just mentioning.
Yeah, I've noticed on the ones that I buy are cheaper.
Some items at Kroger were less. Kroger had a detergent sale when we shopped. And this one's amazing. A head of broccoli was not just cheaper at Kroger. It was like half the price.
Wow. Yeah.
So it's very interesting who won our shopping war. We're still crunching the numbers. We'll have the full details tonight on 9 News at 6.
All right.